I know you can do it. I've seen you do it. Yeah, your fingers are playing tricks on you, making you look like an idiot.
You better fucking stop. See, I can't fucking do this, twat. Can't do it. I'm fucking quitting. Oh, that's it. That's fucking it. I've had it with the fucking magic fucking twat, man. Fucking out of it. Oh, for fucking Christ. Oh, for fuck's sake, you fucking idiot! This wrist is doing my pissing engine! Sick of the fucking useless poxy fucking thing! Please step onto the stage, help me, this is easy. Keep it to a cabin and feel the can fuck up!
John, you just broke your guitar.
I don't give a shit. I'm fucking sick of this.